Malwarebytes, cleaning the infection other miss. So here the antivirus gap traditional antivirus often fails to catch sophisticated modern threats. Research show nearly 40% of malware attacks succeed even when multiple antivirus solutions are present, creating a dangerous gap that attackers actively exploit. Fileless malware executes in memory, leaving no file for signature scanner to detect. Ransomware increase data rapidly before defense can respond. Botnet operate silently in the background, evading standard detection. So while traditional defense isn't enough, signature-based blind spots, antivirus relies on known threat signatures, missing evolving signature less attack entirely. Engineered evasion, hackers now design attacks specifically to bypass the four leading antivirus brands. False sense of safety, relying on a single layer of security, leaves users and businesses exposed. The specialized remediation advantage, heuristic detection, analyze behavior and code pattern to catch unknown threats before they are cataloged. Active remediation removes malicious components already running on a system, not just blocking future attempts. Post-infection cleanup designed to restore system after an infection has taken hold, where standard tool falls short. So layered security, future. The modern security stack, no single tool is enough. Modern threat require proactive protection paired with true remediation to stay ahead. So there you go, guys. So here's the layer. Layer 1, primary activation. Primary antivirus block known threats at perimeter. Layer 2, malware bytes real time. Catch unknown and evasive threats. Layer 3, malware remediation removes active infection and restores system. So there you guys, hope you guys do enjoy. If you want to question concerns with the question below guys, how to answer as soon as possible, and thank you guys.